What's up everybody? I'm Eric from MAPerformance. I'm one of the lead engine machinists here, and I'm here to talk to you about King's new line of bearings. So here at MAPerformance, we specialize in turbocharged 4-cylinder applications like the Evo 10 4B11, the Evo 8-9 and DSM 1G 2G 4G 6.3, the Subaru Boxer engine, the EJ20, EJ22, and EJ25, along with the FA20 and also the EcoBoost Mustang platform. We've been using King bearings for years now, specifically the pMaxBlack. The reason that we went with King's is they are hands down the best bearings on the market, and now they've come out with a new option to add on to your bearing. King's pMaxKote is a revolutionary new approach to coated bearings. This unique polymer coating is applied over King's pMaxBlack overlay at the King factory during the bearing manufacturing process. King's pMaxKote contains a ceramic nano-composite particles that function as a fourth layer to enhance wear resistance. pMaxKote does not change the bearing's original precision wall thickness and adds no additional thickness. Additional features that you'll find with King's new pMaxKote bearings are seizure resistance, superior cavitation resistance, wear resistance, and protection from oil starvation. So for the performance street strip weekend warrior, the pMaxBlack is a great option. For those that want to take it another step, whether it's a race-ready car or you just want that extra security, the pMaxKote is what you want. Moving forward, we plan to offer pMaxKote bearings in many of our higher stage builds as an option for you. If you're wondering if pMaxKote bearings are available for your application, give us a call. If you have any questions about King or their bearing offerings, drop a comment below. Once again, I'm Eric from MAPerformance. If you want to see more engine videos, let us know.